sekali.
Parliamentary Party leader Tito Starwell Khan said that the party wants the election to the Khadc to be held at the earliest. Khan told reporters that the party was always in favour that the election should be held as soon as the Khadc's term ended, and it was the state government who had decided to extend the term for another 6 months in the view of the ongoing delimitation exercise. According to him, the delimitation committee is on the job to read just the existing 29 constituencies.
Tinakaliang ka jungi yung kapati yung balong mentahi ni long kiba kloy ban gale ke di election MBC hakan nunu ko be gidakwa rupa kadiban long no kat kum ngapor bode balabu marban penjalan pun ni masuk kalong bi yang iru ki MDC pa ni sia extend in so ba kala de hi ko ba let not show by I by online.
As part of the World Clubfoot Day,